Hi everyone, Kathy here with Buffalo Check Chicks, and today is Fun Friday. And today I thought I would try to make something for Thanksgiving. Seems like everything is for fall or Halloween and Christmas. So maybe I started too late, but the only thing I could find at the Dollar Tree or Dollar General or anywhere, Walmart or anything, was this cute little, it's like a little flag. It's felt, you know, with the cute little turkey on it. So my idea was to, and I found this too at Dollar Tree, natural wreath. I think it is, let's see, 12 inches. I was thinking about putting this on here, cutting it down, of course. I'd have to cut it so you just see the turkey. And then I picked this up at Walmart, and I was just gonna make a little wreath out of it, put some flowers around it, and that would be my little Thanksgiving wreath. That was kind of cute. So let me get all my things ready here, and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back, and I have the little flag. I cut the bottom off and rounded off the edges a little bit. And I'm going to glue this onto the wreath. Get some hot glue. Hopefully that will stay. So is everybody ready for Halloween? I know I am. Alright, let me see if this is gonna work. Let's see. Never made one of these before, so we'll see. Just trimming off the edges here. I might have to put something heavier in the back. I don't know. It might work. Let's trim this down. Alright. Might have to put more glue. More glue is always the save. More glue is always the answer. All right. Hopefully that holds. So that's what we have so far. Then I'm just going to place around flowers around the edges. If there's any gaps over here, you won't see it because the flowers will be in there. So that bundle I have from Walmart, I cut that down. And I'll probably have to make it shorter. A little bit long. I'm just going to glue in. Just find out where I want to place it and just glue it in. I think the trick to making a good wreath is just, it needs to be uniform. That's what I think. here. That should be good. I like these kind of wreaths. It's easy to place the flowers and leaves in it. And a lot of glue. I think the colors look pretty good with that so far. I did buy some other flowers from Dollar Tree, but I'm not sure now if they're gonna go. We'll have to see if I have room, which I'm sure I'll have room for them. So, well, it would help if I took off the price tag. Let's see, maybe I'll put the pumpkin, no. I think I'll put the pumpkin in the bottom. I might just do one side. I think that'd be good right there. How's that coming out so far? Not too shabby. Put this up here. Sometimes you got to cut these down a little more, or you just got to bend them to fit in better. There. These leaves go perfectly with this Tom Turkey guy. Has anyone seen in the stores the turkeys are out already? I actually picked mine up because I was afraid they might be running out of them. So I already have my turkey for Thanksgiving. All right, some more pretty leaves. I think I'm just going to do a half. We'll have to see how that looks. Just thought something different for Thanksgiving. A little Tom Turkey. He's cute. I'm almost done. It's a quick project. Very quick project. You might even have to put a bow. All right. So what do you guys think? I think he's pretty cute. It's my Tom Turkey Wreath. I'm gonna see if I have any fall ribbon. I will be right back. All right, so I have my easy bow maker here and my zip tie. It'll fit in there. All right, and I found this ribbon. I got this, I think, last year at Dollar Tree. Probably still have it this year. And I'm just going to put this, leave some room for the tails. This is wide ribbon. I should do it the right way. That would work better. All right. So now, I'm not making a real big one. I'm just gonna go about, well, gonna go about 6 inches. 6 inches. And then I'm going to do 5 and 4. I like the Easy Bow Maker because it has the measurements on it. Makes it a little easier. Alright, so let's see. So I got this here. The next one I'll do like 5 inches. It's not cooperating today. Alright, 6, 5. Alright, 6, 5, and then I'll go 4. And 4. Alright, that looks about even. Alright, now where do I put my scissors? Okay. And don't forget to dovetail the ends. Inward. All right. Now, I'm going to grab that zip tie. Just crunch it together in the middle, put the zip tie. Make sure it's tight. Cut that off. And then you get a fluff, fluff, fluff. And just don't be afraid to fluff it. Yeah. This one's a little bit longer, so I'll just trim that down. And I'm going to put that right in the bottom here. See if I can lift it up. Alright, I think that goes pretty good with the colors. If I put any more, I won't be able to see the turkey. So what do you think? On the side? On the bottom? Oh my goodness, I don't know where to put it. I think I'll put it on the side. I gotta find some more ties. Be right back. Alright everyone, I found a nice ribbon that complements the wreath. Put that on the side. I put another pumpkin in the bottom here. I think it came out pretty cute. It's a quick, inexpensive little wreath for Thanksgiving. And I want to thank you all for watching. And have a great day.